Hey y'all, it's Emily, and this is probably the first video that you're seeing of me in 2021, so hey, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video, you already know I'm opening my winter Fabfitfun box. Y'all have probably already seen plenty of winter Fabfitfun unboxings earlier in the season, and I'm a little late to this, but that is because my box just arrived today. Today is December 29th, and my box, I just got it today. So now that I do officially finally have the winter box, I will be unboxing it for you people. Alright, I won't go too in depth, but here it is. I'll just quickly show you. It says Fabfitfun as normal. It's got some little stars in blue and white. And then here we are. Let's open the box. Cute little Fabfitfun moment. And then this is what you see when you first open the box. So not that exciting, but as soon as we toss away that paper, we have the magazine, which doesn't really say a lot in it, so not that important. And then as usual, we have HelloFresh thing, not important. We have a sticker this time, so that's new. So it's just a random Fabfitfun sticker with like the blues and everything. And then this is fun. We've got a 14-day free trial to HBO Max, which sounds fun, but at the same time, it's probably going to make you put in your information and then automatically resubscribe you and be super hard to unsubscribe, and then you end up getting paid for it anyways. And then if anyone wants $15 off their first Fabfitfun box, have a code. Oh, and then we've also got a little wine voucher. Seems fun, but won't be using that. That is so ugly. Why didn't they flip it around and put it like that? That's so much cuter. Alright, here's what the box looks like. These, I was able to choose 3 items, and you probably don't know this, but my mom and I are actually splitting this box because I personally don't believe that this box by itself, just for me, is worth $50. But if you split it in half, and you're probably going to get a few things that you don't want in the box, split it with someone else. Maybe they like the things that you don't want, and then it's a $25 box. So that's what it is for me. So let's start showing the things. Okay, so we have some eye gels, little eye mask patches. Let's open it. I'm pretty sure eye patches, like eye masks, don't really do that much, but they're fun. So I do love a good little eye mask. Okay, so these are supposed to brighten, hydrate, and depuff. They are from Beauty Beauty. Okay, so it's a pack of a few of them. So it looks like we have 4 of them. They look like they'll be fun. So yeah, those should be really fun. Okay, next, just grabbing something. This was another thing that they picked out of a few options. So we have a faux crocodile skin card holder. So we've got a little zipper on the front, and then just a few slots for cards on the inside, and it's red. So if you don't want to carry a lot of cards with you and have a small bag, you can put that in there or stick in your pocket. I probably won't use this. I have no use for it, but it's from Below the Belt. So there's that. Okay, next, this item. This was one of the ones that we picked out. So this is the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice palette. It's an eyeshadow palette. It looks really cute. I've never tried or heard of Laura Geller before, but it looks cute. It's kind of simple and basic, but the front packaging was cute. I wish the palette had that design on it. The pretty pinks and colors. That'd be cute. Okay, I mean, it's cute. It's got a bunch of neutrals and like light pink tones. It's really cute. Why is the box cuter than the palette itself? Next, this was one that was not picked out by me. The one that was just put in the box. So these are Kate Spade New York workout socks. I have no idea what it means by workout sock. It's just a sock. So there's 2 pairs, and they're just little socks with like a cutout top portion and grippy toes. I mean, these would actually be nice to use on a like slick flooring or like on a yoga mat, because sometimes yoga mats can be kind of slippery. So yeah, workout socks. Next, let's go quick with these few because they're less exciting. So these are just some random items that they put in. So I got a granola bar in my box. This was not one of the ones that was like out of ones that they would pick out or out of anything that we would choose. This was just, I guess they were like, maybe the people who subscribe to this box are hungry and would like a granola bar. I don't understand this. We got a granola bar. So it's the Kind Thins Dark Chocolate Nuts and Sea Salt granola bar. Alright, and then we have a liquid eyeliner. This is Aesthetica liquid eyeliner in black. Okay, fun little bottle. Oh, I mean, yeah, looks fun. I'm not a big eyeliner person because they always look very awful on me. Okay, and then this, we have a Daily Concept Daily Facial Dry Brush. Okay, it's cute. It's like just a little wooden brush. It's really cute. It feels like it would, this is worse than the ones that I have. I would not trust this on my face. I mean, I guess it's supposed to be exfoliating. So this, it says you're supposed to use after cleansing, but like while the face is dry and while the brush is dry, and that you're not supposed to get it wet. And then you just like, you know, rub your face before doing the next step. So I guess it would be good for exfoliating. We'll see if that gets incorporated into my skincare routine. Next, this is a fun item. This is a bigger item. It is one that was picked out. This is a Touch Highlight LED makeup mirror from Impressions Vanity Company. So we have a little mirror. I've actually had like a similar one to this before that I just got cheap from Ulta. I got rid of it a while ago because I didn't really use it that much. But it was cute at the time and I did like it for the time that I had it. Oh, it comes with batteries. No way. Nothing ever comes with batteries. That's crazy. This one's actually, I'm not keeping it. It's going to my mother. So we've got the little cord, and then, oh fancy, here's the little mirror portion, and then you just have that, and then the outside lights up, so then you have like a well lit face, and then you have good lighting if you're doing your makeup. I think this is much better than the one I had, and kind of cuter. And then it just clicks onto this, and there you go. It's kind of chic. Kind of like it. Cute. Yeah, so that's nice. Okay, you know what? Let's just put it together. Okay, so we have 4 batteries, 4 of the AAA batteries. It doesn't stay on this thing very well, but if it's sitting down, it should be fine. It doesn't look like there's an on-off switch, so there. Oh, cute. This is cute. Does it make my face look more lit? Oh, kind of. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so cute. Oh wait, last item. This is the one that I was most excited about for like the whole thing. One that I picked out and kind of had been wanting for a while. And so it was very obvious that this was going to be the one I would pick. It is so soft. I mean, maybe not my ideal color choice for this, but I think it'll do just fine. So we have from the brand Summer and Rose a cozy robe. So we have a bathrobe. So here we go. Gorgeous. Okay, so this is from sizes, I think, extra small to medium. It's cute, kind of, yeah. And then I just do that, and then we've got the little belt, and there you go. We've got ourselves a cozy, comfortable bathrobe. I'm gonna go see what it looks like. Okay, it doesn't fit as well as I was hoping. They really need more size options because an extra small and a medium is not the same size. And then I guess the other side would have been a large to extra large, which probably would have been way big. I mean, it's kind of a look. Like, what if I just wore it? This is like my jacket. And then we've got a hood. Yeah, scratch the hood. I mean, it's cute like this, but if you try to wrap it up, like, well, the arms are a little short. It's got pockets though. I feel like if it was just like maybe a size up, like maybe if it were a true like medium rather than like an extra small to medium, because I feel like you'd want it to be like slightly oversized with the bathrobe, because then it's like all cozy and comfy. But yeah, anyways, that's that. And now I have a little bathrobe. Alright, so that's all of the items. Every time I get a Fabfitfun box, I wonder, like, if it's a good idea to continue. I like unboxing them, but like, could I have spent the money that was the cost of the box better on my own? Probably, definitely could have. Anyways, that's everything that came in the winter box for me. Let's just do a quick little go through again. Alright, so excluding all like the paper little voucher items and the magazine and stickers and all that, we have eye patches, wallet thing, granola bar. I don't think that counts. Eyeliner, workout socks, facial scrub, the items that were picked out by me. We have the light up mirror, a little makeup palette, and a cozy bathrobe. So yeah, that's everything in the box this season. Hopefully my box for, I guess it would be spring, comes quicker. And then after that, we have the summer box that is quite a while away. And then we have fall again, which fall I have had 2 boxes from them over years. So that's when I'll decide if I'm gonna stay subscribed for another year. So if y'all want to keep seeing my Fabfitfun unboxing content, comment below and like this video and subscribe so that I know and will continue to do them and unbox them and get the boxes. But anyways, thank you for watching my first video of the year, even though it's not that exciting because my last video was probably posted like a couple days ago. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with some super fun content. I am very excited for all the content that I'm going to be filming shortly. Stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye.